Now, dealing with contract retentions. These again use the accrued and prepaid record, use it as an accrual. However, the drop-down option for the net sales invoices is contract retention. That then uses the predefined table entered in the settings tab of our system. So we will select contract retention. We were presented with one of the two options we defined, customer or supplier. So being a revenue, we'll use customer. Now what we will do is enter the amounts of money that we expect to invoice for this project. Maybe 3 invoices of 100,000, and then practical completion will be November 50,000. At that time, we may well expect to get the retention released. So the retention has been accumulated, having taken 10% or $10,000 of our first 100 and 5% of our next 2 and our third thing, building a total retention held back from our customer of $22,500. Now on practical completion, a month later, we may invoice 50% of that retention, which we do there. $11,000 is then invoiced, and the balance may come out 60, 90, or whatever number of days that you want after that figure. And therefore, the retention is cleared from the accrual. It will sit in the balance sheet as contract retention sales, being an accrued revenue recognition. Additionally, the amounts invoiced are the net amounts post the retention plus GST VAT, correctly reflecting the process. A supplier retention works exactly the same way using a costs and accrual methods.